Okay, and then you have a bunch of kids in the car. How many kids? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who are these kids to you?
This is my friend.
That's your friend?
Yeah.
5 incidents, 1 constitutional framework. The 4th, 5th, and 14th Amendments do not pause for rank, emotion, or inconvenience. What follows is a legal analysis of 5 body cam encounters and what each one gets right or catastrophically wrong.
RMA. I am not the police, okay? I came here with the ambulance. I want to make sure you're okay.
I don't know what he's thinking.
I don't know. I'm asking you if he's RMA or not.
Oh, yeah, no.
What?
Yeah.
I get that. I'm not saying you aren't. I just want to make sure your head is okay. Problems that we need to be aware of.
I can't get any.
Can you tell me your first name at least?
First of all, why do you get a jacket on that's not fit to be worn? What's on the back of it?
What do you mean?
Look, tell me what's on the back of it.
Oh, they washed off.
Yeah, then get rid of it.
Okay.
That's ridiculous.
Okay.
You're a sergeant for God's sake.
Okay, Chief. Let me work this DWI, okay?
Come over here.
Chief, I'm on a DWI.
Over here.
Chief, I'm on a DWI.
Get over here.
I'm on a DWI.
Yes, ticket or patient?
Chief, I'm working. I don't have time to argue about a jacket, okay?
Get over here.
Don't you
Stop
touch me.
punching.
Don't you touch me. Don't you fucking touch me. You have a problem? You grabbed me. Now get out of here before you get a problem.
Take him in. Take him.
No, you're going to go in.
Take him.
Drunk again. Whose keys are these?
They're mine.
Get out of here.
No.
Chief, get out of here or you're going to get locked up.
No.
Chief, you're going to get locked up. You grabbed me. I asked you 3 times to leave me alone. You're obstructing my DWI.
Billy, come over here.
Let him go.
That's the first thing.
I'm trying to get away from everybody.
Shut up, because you're in trouble now. Stop,
No, I'm not
please,
in trouble.
Stop,
I'm not in trouble.
Stop.
You're going to be in trouble.
Stop,
You're gonna be
Billy.
in trouble.
Billy.
Chief, I'm working at DWI.
I'm listening to you.
Okay.
Shut up.
No.
You're in trouble because this is the first thing. First of all, I was about to say to you, you stupid. I was about to say to you, what do you need OEM for?
You're embarrassing me in front of the men about the jacket.
No. That's neither here nor there.
Okay.
That's neither here nor there. Now we got a real problem, Billy.
Yeah, we do.
I know.
We do.
All right, you're gonna have to go inside.
No, how about we do
No.
this?
No.
we go
Billy,
inside?
Billy, you're gonna have to go inside right now with me. You're gonna have to go inside and
We're in a serious collision.
Billy, you're not doing anything when I'm on the scene, okay? You should know better than this, my friend.
No.
Listen to me.
Grab me.
No, I said
You were
come
out of
over
line.
here.
You're out of line. You grabbed me. It's on video.
Billy,
It's on video. I'm not going to argue with it. I have a crash to work.
Billy,
I have a job
Billy,
to do.
You're
okay?
relieved. Billy, you're relieved.
Okay.
You're relieved.
I'll go home.
No. Billy, you have to understand something. You're relieved. Billy, you're relieved. Go home in the headquarters and wait for me.
Yeah, it's on my crash.
No, Billy, you're relieved.
I have
Billy.
officers here.
Billy.
Right here. They can get waffled because my car is
Billy.
blocking it.
Billy, you're relieved.
No, Chief.
No, Billy. Please, Billy. Don't. You're suspended, Billy.
I'm
You're
suspended?
Yes.
Okay. I'm suspended. I'm going home.
Yes. Billy, come here.
I'm going home. We can't talk. I'm suspended.
No.
I'm suspended.
You're
going
to headquarters
home.
and you're going to wait for me there.
No, I'm not. I'm suspended. I'm going home.
You're going to headquarters and wait for me there.
Well, let me work my crash. This is why I'm here.
Billy, you're suspended.
All right, if I'm suspended, then I'm not going to wait inside. Nothing more to say.
No, Billy. Let me explain something to you. Billy, you're suspended.
Okay.
All right? Wait for me in there. That's an order.
Can you do me a favor? Can you put your car where my car is so our officers and first aid don't get run over, please? Thank you.
Billy, go on, Billy. Go on.
Right, I mean, in there.
Yes, you're going to meet me in there. Go and put the door in right now.
There's nowhere to put her. She's going to ruin things.
Okay, we'll leave her in there. Go in.
I'm going. I got people on the road. I want to make sure they're safe. I want to run you over, so watch out.
No. Come on. Go ahead. You know I love you. Come on.
I know. What? wrong with you?
Billy,
Why would you do that to me?
stop. Billy, stop. You got enough problems already. Please.
Following this incident, Police Chief Gaida was suspended with pay after investigations revealed he had violated 28 policies. After consistent pressure from the public demanding his removal from the position, Gaida retired on March 1st, 2024, and Sergeant Major remains active on duty.
Hey there.
Hello.
How are you?
All right.
Just all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Should driver license? There's your wallet right there between your legs.
Sorry. I was a little bit nervous.
So was I. The way you're driving?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I thought you were gonna crash.
No, I don't.
I didn't say. I don't think so. I'm just saying I thought you were gonna crash.
It seemed like a regular DUI, nothing unusual for the cops, until they noticed Jeremy's passengers.
Okay, and then you have a bunch of kids in the car. How many kids? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who are these kids to you?
This is my friend.
That's your friend?
Yeah.
How old's your friend?
18.
That girl's not 18? That girl's not 18?
Yeah.
No, she's not.
No, I don't think she is.
That girl's not 18. Trust me. She don't look 18. Ma'am, how old are you? I didn't ask you your name. I asked you how old you were.
After the girl refused to respond, the sergeant asked Jeremy to step out of the vehicle. And that's when things got weird.
Jeremy, just turn the car off and come back here and talk to me.
All right.
Let me see the keys. Thank you. Come on out. Why's your zipper, your buttons down on your crotch?
Well, I probably just forgot.
Okay.
And I'll button my zipper.
Yeah, please button your zipper.
Yeah. I mean, I had to take like a piss and
When did you last drink?
like probably it's been a little while.
Like an hour?
I would say it's more than yeah,
Like maybe 2,
yeah,
roughly? Okay,
like 2 hours.
that's fair. Because you know what, 2 hours is totally different than, no, I haven't been drinking. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
But
I mean,
it's okay. No, it's okay. We're not gonna argue about it. I mean, I know what I smell. I know what I hear. I know what I see. Okay, simple as that.
I mean, yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you.
Well, you already did. You said I hadn't been drinking, and then I kind of played you. Said, was it an hour ago? Like, no, longer. 2 hours? Yeah.
It's been a few hours.
Okay,
I mean,
gotcha. Well,
I mean,
we're not gonna argue about that. I mean, I know what I smell. Okay. Do you think you're safe to drive? Do you think you're safe to drive?
yeah,
You do?
absolutely.
Once again, you and I will disagree on that too. All those people in the car, who are they?
They're just my friends. I mean,
Do you normally hang out with people who are young?
not.
How old are you?
I'm 41.
41? Okay, hang tight right there, okay? Okay, how old are you? 14. Thank you. Simple question.
14.
Really 14?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
14.
Okay. 13. Okay. 13. Okay. 14. Okay. Who is this guy to anybody?
That's our homies. And then she knows his kid.
Okay. So that there's your homie, or okay? So you guys all need to call your parents.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And have your parents meet us here. No. Okay. I probably saved 6 lives tonight. At least 6 lives. Okay. I thought you guys were going to crash around that bend. He's going way too fast.
Oh, yeah.
And he's definitely not safe to drive.
Oh, yeah, we told you. We told him.
This is Sergeant LaFay with State Police, and you're your son, along with I'm guessing five of his other buddies, they were in a vehicle with somebody some man. It's a grown adult who has no business driving, and so he's out now doing field sobriety tests, and these kids need to be picked up.
After failing the sobriety test, Jeremy was arrested and charged with driving under the influence and 6 counts of child abuse. He was later charged with multiple counts of rape, as prosecutors alleged that he had began a relationship with one of the girls in the vehicle when she was 12. And while this case shifted from simple traffic stop to a pedophilia investigation, the next began with reckless driving and ended as a $1 million drug bust. On September 14, 2022, officers pulled over Christine for driving with her headlights out. What the officers didn't know was that they were about to be in the biggest drug bust their department had ever had.
Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hey, I'm Deputy Flat County Sheriff, so I was going to stop. You got a headlight out.
I know, somebody when I was at work. I just got off of work.
No worries. Listen, I don't know if you know. Unfortunately, this is the only way I can tell you, so.
Yeah, well, see, it happened when I was at work, so I did put something up there, so I did have a light.
No worries. Like I said, I just stopped someone and they had no idea.
Okay.
So.
Okay. No, I knew.
All right, let me see your license, registration, insurance real quick.
I just bought this car,
No worries.
so it's in my son's car.
It's who?
Eric Rowland, that's my son's father. I just bought the car from him.
No worries.
Okay, here.
When's the last time you smoked?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Probably about an hour ago.
In the car?
No, it wasn't in the car.
No, I just got off work.
So do you have any on you right now?
Me, I don't have nothing on.
So where's the smell coming from? Is it just from you earlier?
It's on my clothes. It's just on me.
Are there any blunts or anything like that in the car?
No, sir. No, sir. I work for Ember.
No, like I said, there's just things that I ask once we get there that we just start going through.
You're fine. I'm tired.
You're good.
All right.
I won't try to keep it any longer than we need to.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
After running the passenger's information, who was later identified as Adrian Rivers, the officers found out that he had multiple active warrants from several counties, and they quickly arrested him. However, with the stench of weed coming from the car, the officers decided to search it, but nothing could prepare them for what they were about to find.
Because right now, your medical card's not valid. So what I'm going to tell you right now is if you have any weed like shoved or tucked, if you take it in there, it's a felony. If you tell me out here, it's a misdemeanor.
I don't have nothing.
As long as it's under 20.
I don't have nothing.
No worries.
What'd you find powder back here?
No, this. Well,
That might actually be big.
right.
They're probably cutting it.
Whatever this is, and whatever this is.
Hey, you can test that down there too. It might be connected. So
224. I got a whiskey fox at the tank.
you have some cocaine. Cocaine and
Yeah, cocaine for now.
keys. Can you give me the car keys?
Hey. What? Here's the weed we were looking for.
Did you want to test whatever's in this? Did you want this bag out as well?
I looked. There was nothing in there. Yeah.
I got trafficking.
Whatever.
Is this hers?
No, this has all been from the bag.
No, this is for hers.
Yeah, I'm a little bit stuck.
Yeah, what's going on?
I was hoping they could help me, like, tell me backwards. They have a tow strap and everything, but they're not trying to help me for some reason, so...
Okay, how'd you end up here?
I don't even know. I tried to, like, turn around, and I thought this was, like, a grass spot, but it's, like, totally a ditch, so I'm really stuck.
Yeah, so where are you coming from?
Well, I was going from, like, Toledo to Maumee, kind of to the back roads. I went to, like, Rite Aid first.
Rite Aid, where at?
In Toledo. I work at the...
Okay. Have your ID with you?
Somewhere. Yeah, I'm 23 and a half.
Okay.
Born
So you just
October
got...
17th, 2000.
Okay. And you just got off work?
At like 5, yeah. And then I went to a park, and then I went another park, then I went here. Kind of need a little help, maybe getting backwards. I could go neutral, go backwards, I don't know.
Do you have contacts in right now?
Contacts, yeah.
Okay, you're wearing them right now?
Clear, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any issues with your back, your legs, or anything like that?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Any medical problems?
No.
No? Not diabetic or anything like that?
That's about it.
Okay. All right, so I'm gonna have you step out here. There's some stone. Just watch when you get out. Just watch your
I got
step.
some sandals on, so I'm good.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Don't lean on the car. Don't sit on my car.
Okay.
How much you had to drink tonight?
2 beers within the last like 6 hours though.
Okay, so you were drinking at work?
No, just after work.
Okay.
I went to Rite Aid and I had 2 beers since then. It's been like 6 hours.
Okay.
6.5 hours.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stand back here.
Okay.
Okay.
The officer initiated a sobriety test, but he had no idea how difficult Claire was going to be.
You do. Stand with your feet together, arms down to your sides. All right. Can you see the tip of my finger?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Of course I can. Yep.
All right. You can see the tip of my finger.
I can paint it perfectly, yeah.
Okay.
I'm an artist.
Okay. So with your eyes and your eyes only, follow the tip of my finger, okay? Nope.
Patrick.
Nope. Nope.
Patrick.
Just your eyes.
Okay. It's a randoming of Patrick the Star.
Okay. Once again, just your eyes.
Okay.
All right. All right. Let me do the test, or you're going to be placed under arrest for refusal.
I'm doing it perfectly.
Okay.
Are you jealous of me from that?
No. All right.
Okay. What, pussy?
I'm going to... Excuse me?
Nothing.
Stand up.
I am. You have green eyes. They're really pretty.
Okay.
I followed my 3 exes and both of them have
just
green
your eyes.
Too.
Just your eyes.
I got it. Do you believe in magic? Do you believe in magic?
All right, stop.
In a young girl's
Stop.
heart,
Are you going to continue?
Are
you going to comply with these tests?
And it's magic. Yes.
Okay.
I have to work tomorrow and the next day. I'm sorry. What do you want from me?
I want you to put your left foot on the white line.
Left foot. Right foot.
All right.
Left foot.
Are you done?
Right foot.
Stop.
Left foot.
Stop.
Like, what am I doing wrong?
Get back here.
No.
Over here. Stop. You're under arrest.
Thank you. Thanks. Yeah, get that f***ing lock. Get that
Stop.
right in that f***ing shit. I hate you. Go.
Stop kicking.
Okay, I understand. So you see the tip of my pen right here?
Of course.
Okay, so you're going to follow the tip of my pen and only the tip of my pen with just your eyes, not your head.
That's fine.
Okay, you understand?
Yeah, I'm completely fine.
All right, so just the tip of my pen.
I can't believe you're doing this. Okay.
All right.
I'm sorry. I'm just really upset.
Okay.
I'm just going to be so upset.
I understand. So just look at the tip of my pen right here, okay? All right, just your eyes, okay?
Yeah. Sorry.
Just your eyes. Don't move your head at all, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Just your eyes.
I'm just really upset. My head is like.
Okay. All right, but
so
just for this test, just to get it done, just your eyes, all right? Not your head.
That's really rude. I'm sorry. I'm just.
All right.
I was literally going home to my family.
All right, listen, but just to get this test done, you just got to follow my pen, okay? All right, so you see the tip of the pen? Yes? All right, so I'll just tip of my pen. I can you just gotta.
I am very sorry.
Okay. Okay, so take a second.
I think this just has to do with in general, like. God, I think.
Okay, all right. Just for this test, I just have to be able to see your eyes. All right, we're just making your okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just making sure you're okay to drive. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
All right.
I know.
See the tip of the pen? All right, follow just the tip of the pen with just your eyes. Listen, we're just doing this test right now. Okay, that is it.
That's
I just need you to focus on the tip of the pen, but you keep moving your head as you're following the pen. You just got to move your eyes. Okay. All right.
Okay, that's completely fine.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Why?
Why what?
Why would you do that?
Do what?
Like, why would you pull me over?
Oh. It'll all be in the report and it'll be explained to you in court.
No, I'm asking you.
Okay, you ran through a stop sign at 17th and Ocean and you almost caused an accident.
No, I didn't.
Okay. That's fine. If that's what you want to believe, that's fine. I'm just telling you why I stopped you.
Incident 1. Bradley Beach, New Jersey. Chief Gaida's arrival at an active DUI scene while visibly impaired is not merely a policy failure. His physical intervention triggers New Jersey Statute 2C, 29-1 obstruction of administration of law. At the precise moment he physically impedes Sergeant Major's ongoing investigation. Rank does not confer immunity here. Under Graham versus Connor, the objective reasonableness standard applies to any use of force, regardless of the actor's position. The physical grab satisfies the statutory definition of simple assault under NJSA 2C 12-1. Critically, an order issued by an impaired superior to abandon an active criminal investigation is not a lawful order. Sergeant Major had not only the right, but the professional and legal obligation to refuse. Incident 2, New Mexico State Police. July 5, 2022. The DUI charge is the least consequential offense documented in this encounter. NMSA 1978, Section 3061 attaches. When an adult places a minor in a situation that endangers their life or health. 6 minors present. 6 independent counts. The subsequent rape charges under NMSA 1978, Section 30911 reflect conduct predating the stop by years, confirming this was a pattern, not an isolated act of impaired judgment. Under Belmar versus McCarty, Guthrie's roadside admissions were constitutionally obtained without Miranda warnings. A roadside investigative detention is not custodial interrogation. Every statement he made was fully admissible. Incident 3. September 14th, 2022. County Sheriff. The automobile exception under Carroll versus the United States authorizes a warrantless vehicle search when officers possess probable cause to believe evidence of a crime exists within the vehicle. The odor of marijuana alone established that probable cause threshold. The passenger's active warrants from multiple counties provided independent grounds for his arrest. Under California versus Acevedo, that probable cause extended to every container within the vehicle, including the bag where both the cocaine and the trafficking weight marijuana were recovered. The search was constitutionally airtight. A headlight violation built a 5-year sentence. Incident 4. Ohio. May 11th, 2024. The base OVI charge under Ohio Revised Code Section 4511.19 was established by observable impairment, the vehicle in ditch incident, and documented failure of the full SFST battery. What elevated this stop was post-arrest conduct. Spitting constitutes harassment with a bodily substance. Kicking constitutes felony assault under Ohio Revised Code Section 2903.11. Both charges were entirely self-generated. Under Missouri versus McNeely, Ohio's implied consent statute establishes that refusal to submit carries independent criminal consequences. The subject did not merely fail to mitigate her exposure, she manufactured additional felony counts in real time. Incident 5. Belmar, New Jersey. November 4th, 2023. 3. Independent traffic violations. Wrong-way travel, stop sign failure, near collision. Each one independently satisfying the reasonable, articulable suspicion standard established in Terry versus Ohio. The subject's refusal to submit to chemical testing under NJSA 39-4-50.2 became a second guilty plea, a separate criminal conviction arising entirely from a decision made after the stop concluded. Grades. Sergeant Major receives an A. His refusal of unlawful orders under active constitutional pressure is the textbook standard for professional conduct in impossible circumstances. Sergeant LaFay receives an A. His methodical questioning built a legally sound probable cause chain that ultimately exposed predatory conduct, predating the traffic stop by years. The Ohio deputy receives an A. Patient, procedurally disciplined, and legally precise. Under conditions specifically designed, whether intentionally or not, to provoke escalation. Officer Vodko receives an A-. De-escalation without sacrificing procedural integrity. The minor grade reduction reflects only a slight extension of SFST pacing. The county deputy receives a B+. Transparent, methodical, constitutionally grounded throughout. Chief Leonard Gaida receives an F. Obstruction, assault, and 28 policy violations documented against the officer, sworn to set the standard for every officer beneath him. Jeremy Guthrie receives an F. Adrian Rivers receives an F. Claire receives a D. The Belmar subject receives a D. Lessons learned. 3 principles recur across all 5 encounters and carry weight beyond any individual case. First, rank does not override constitutional obligation. Chief Gaida's case is the most documented example of that failure in recent Bodycam record, and it ended his career. Second, probable cause is cumulative and compounding. Each lawfully obtained observation builds on the last. The September 14th stop began with a headlight and ended with a felony trafficking conviction. The law does not require officers to stop looking, simply because the initial violation was minor. Third, post-stop conduct determines final legal exposure. Neither Claire nor the Belmar subject faced their worst charges because of what they did before they were stopped, but because of what they chose to do afterward. The arrest is never the end of the legal story. The choices made during it write the final chapter. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. If you found this analysis informative, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Our channel is dedicated to the most compelling police interactions, courtroom proceedings, and real-world legal moments, and there is a lot more on the way. We will see you in the next one.